God chose us in Him before the foundation of the world. He destined us in love to be His Son through Jesus Christ, according to the purpose of His will. He destined us in love through Jesus Christ, according to the purpose of His will, which He set forth in Christ as a plan for the fullness of time. God actually became what we are, that we may be as He is. So God is your own wonderful human imagination. Let no one rob you of that and give you a false God. For man is all imagination, and God is man, and exists in us, and we in Him. The eternal body of man is the imagination, and that is God Himself. We exist in these bodies. We live in our imagination. For our imaginations, these are the only reality. Imagination is God. So let no one lead you astray to a false God, to some other being that doesn't really exist. So when you hear the word God, the word Jesus, which is a marvelous word, don't let your mind jump outside to something other than your own wonderful human imagination. And see what you are doing to Jesus by imagining, or simply for one moment stop to observe what you are imagining. But there is nothing final in this world if you know who God is. If you know that your own wonderful human imagination is God, you will not accept anything on the outside that is in conflict with your wonderful desire. Always use it lovingly. Can't go wrong. And things will simply flow and flow in your direction, all in the good. But eventually, you will completely awake with a gift. And the gift is God Himself. There's nothing but God in this world. But nothing but God. You inherit God, and God owns the world, and the world is your inheritance. You simply are so perfect that nothing imperfect can remain in your presence. So it is your Father's good pleasure to give you the kingdom.